Javier the Surgeon is here with another episode. If this is your first time here and you enjoy all things repair related, please subscribe and smack the bell so you're notified on our latest videos. And don't forget to check us out at our other social media platforms found below. We're actually going to be doing some really cool things on our Instagram channel, so that'll be one that I recommend you guys following. Now that we got that out of the way, what is up, guys? Thank you all so much for tuning in and checking out this episode. If you've seen some of our past episodes, you would have noticed at times during our repairs we have some fumes or smoke that gets into our airstream. Today my pops and I, Javier Sr.
Hello.
And I are going to be resolving this issue by building a fume extraction high volume vacuum system that will tie into our extractor and exhaust out all fumes and smoke outside of the building. We are going to be using an 8-inch 735 CFM exhaust fan to connect to each of our 4 fume extraction arms that we have here. And we're going to go ahead and connect them to the main vent system that airs out of the building. I'll leave a link down below to the fan that we use in this video. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to leave them down in the area below or by visiting us at mrphonedoctor.com. So it's about that time. Let's step back in the lab and let's get this sucker installed. No pun intended.
Back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up, back up, back up, back up. I'ma need you to back up. Yep. I'ma need you to back up. Spilling the tea, you stirring the cup. I'ma need you to back up. I'ma need you to back up. Yep. I'm in the 7, I'm gonna act up. I'ma need you to back up. I'ma need you to back up. Yep. I'ma need you to back up. Spilling the tea, you stirring the cup.
Okay guys, I just wanted to show you guys where we have our extraction system. It's actually in this closet right behind me. Here is where we mounted the extraction system. And I know I did get some good footage of that, so I'll be able to show you guys in our montage video. I might put some text, you might see my face again coming up on screen, just to explain kind of what's going on. So we actually have each one of these extraction arms, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Each one of those are independently ran and they tie in directly into our little channel system that we designed to pull the air out from our extractor. And we have it running outside my office this way. Follow me. So it exits all right up here.
Close it here, and then the other one. Here we're gonna put in here.
One there and one in the bottom as well.
Right here.
Yeah. So 2. That way each workstation has their own.
And then the box, the vacuum is gonna be here. The box fan. But that's the layout. Fan here. Box here.
Alright, so we're gonna make a quick trip, go to Salmon's, our local little hardware store, and get some plumb piping to plumb everything all together. So on a scale of 1 to 10, Dad, how hard is this gonna be?
Well, never done one before, so probably 10.
And I'm sure the thing that's gonna take us the longest is making sure we have all the parts, and we won't know what we need until we actually start start putting everything together. So that's usually what takes the longest when we start projects like this. All right, we made it with 10 minutes to spare.
This is what I'm trying to build right here. It's gonna be a box, the vacuum for the box, and then these are gonna be the lines that are gonna be connected to it.
Perfect.
Bingo bango. I think that's gonna work. It's better than the box. Save some labor. So we're gonna have to reduce this way down
8-inch to 4-inch.
to 4-inch.
All right, time to send the beast up. All right, so in order to mount these tubes up, the ventilation system up. What we're gonna use is these 2x4s that we put together, made like a little U bracket, and we're gonna mount them up on top into the ceiling area. Well, my dad likes to use these square heads here. You're able to get more meat. They don't strip out like the Phillips, so good little tip. So our neighbor was getting mad at us. I'll put some audio. I think our other camera on top is recording the whole conversation, so we'll upload that.
She was just saying, how long is it gonna finish? Because a little bit of sawdust came down in her office.
From the roof?
Yeah.
We're working.
We're working.
What are you doing?
We're installing a
a-
ventilation system.
What are you doing?
A ventilation system, is that going to affect my unit?
Not at
No.
all. You don't have to worry about anything on your side.
Well, I have had some sawdust that's come down, and I'm just wondering.
Need to get the last ducting, a T hopefully they have, and a Dremel bit. Blows a pretty good amount of air, so that's awesome. We actually got to tie it in to the office right up over here. Once that's done, project is complete. Out the door she goes. Get out, smoke. Right here. Alright guys, thanks for sticking around and checking out this episode. So I actually connected the extraction fan to a Wi-Fi plug, making it easier for us to turn on and off. The cool thing is I actually set it up on a timer, so I have it turning on at certain times throughout the day and turning off at a certain time, basically when we open and close. So let's put this puppy to work. We're gonna start some fires and hopefully not burn this place down.